Hello, my name is Daniel, and I work as a ServiceNow developer in digital and software solutions. Today, I'll show you how to get started with Now Assist in the CSM module. First thing, we're going to go to the workspace. We're going to go to the list. We're going to go on all cases. We're going to add a filter. State is new or open. Update. Now, we're going to open a case. And now we're going to post a comment. And we can now click the summarize by Now Assist, which will summarize us the case. And we can share this to the work notes. Before sharing, we are able to do any changes that we'd like to the existing text generated by Now Assist. I'm gonna save to work notes. Now, I'm gonna go back to the list. I'm going to just filter by open. I'm going to open another case. And I'm going to put a comment, post. I'm going to select this comment and propose solution. And the Now Assist will generate us the resolution notes. And we can select resolution code and we can propose this as a solution. Next thing, I'm going to impersonate a virtual agent. But first, I'm going to look on the sysuser table for a virtual agent. I'm gonna take John Jason and I'm going to check the roles and I'm gonna edit. And I'm going to add roles. Save. Now I'm going to impersonate John Jason. I'm going to go on the configure workspace. I'm gonna set myself available and I'm going to open the instance as a customer as George Warren, and I'm going to have a virtual agent message. And I want to contact a live agent. I'm gonna accept it as an agent. I'm gonna respond to the customer. Now I'm gonna respond as the customer. I'm gonna actually have a conversation between an agent and a customer. And I'm gonna respond as a customer. And now I'm gonna respond as an agent. And now, after this long conversation, Now Assist can help us summarize this conversation by using this command in the chat. Enter. And we see here the summarization of our discussion. And we can end the chat. And you will see that Now Assist has generated us the short description for the case and the chat summary. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel.